Okay, we're gonna simplify complex fractions, and don't freak out. I know that this looks kind of horrible, but it is easier than what it looks like. When you have something like this, basically you are dividing a fraction by a fraction. And what you do is you just multiply the outsides. So you're gonna multiply this times this, and then over this times this. So let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna have x plus 1 times x minus 1 over the inside. So x times x squared minus 1. But if you notice, this one is a difference of squares. So I can factor it. So let me rewrite this. X plus 1 times x minus 1 over x times x plus 1 times x minus 1. So then that means that I can cancel an x minus 1 over x minus 1. I can cancel the x plus 1 with the x plus 1. So that means that, that means that my answer, it's going to be 1 over x. And for the purposes of this lesson, we are not going to find the value or values of x that make the expression undefined. We're just going to leave it like that. We're going to assume that it is defined for every single value of x. Let's try another one. We're going to try 20 over x minus 1 over 6 over 3x minus 3. Again, we're just going to multiply the outsides. So it's going to be 20 times 3x minus 3 over, we're going to multiply the insides. 6 times x minus 1. And let's see, I can simplify the 20 over 6. Both of them are even, so it can become, let me use another color. It can become 10 over 3. So that's going to be 10. And I can factor this one. The common factor amongst these two is 3. So I'm going to factor the 3 out. And that's going to give me x minus 1 inside of the parentheses. Over, this one is a 3, times x minus 1. So now I can cancel this x minus 1 with this x minus 1, and this 3 with this 3. And the answer is 10. Let's try one more. Actually, two more. The next one is a little bit more difficult. You have 1 over x plus 1 over 2x over x plus 4 over x minus 2. So what we're going to do, first we're going to solve this one. What is the common factor amongst these two? We have x and 2x. Well, the common factor is going to be, or the common denominator, it's going to be 2x. So what do I have to do to the first one? Well, I need to multiply it by 2 over 2. So that's going to give me 2 over 2x plus 1 over 2x over x plus 4 over x minus 2. Now that I have a common denominator, I can just add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2x over x plus 4 over x minus 2. And now we do the same thing we did with the other two problems. We're going to multiply the outsides. So we're going to multiply 3 times x minus 2, and then over, we're going to multiply the insides. Over 2x times x plus 4. And that's the answer. And one last example. This one is x plus 2 over x minus 1 over x minus 3 over x plus 5. Again, just multiply the outsides. So x plus 2 times x plus 5 over, you multiply the insides, x minus 2 times x minus 3. And that's it. You don't even have to FOIL it. There's nothing that you can simplify. There's nothing that you can cancel. That's your answer. This is the way you leave it.